So, working on this 80 Monte Carlo. The sunroof is leaking, well, the headliner is leaking, so he took the headliner out. And that drain over there looked good. This drain over here looked good, and this drain over here looked good. But this drain, this hose was not even connected. Oh, where are we here? The hose here was not even connected. And then on this corner, someone had put a bunch of this black gum crap and filled up the drain hole with it even. Just cleaning it out now with a screw. Yeah, there's still some stuff over there. Okay. And so the next problem is, for some reason, this hose just wouldn't reach anymore. Whoa, I tried to pull on it so much, pushing it from both ends, pulling it, grease up the hose, all that. It isn't going to move. Like, if I pull it any harder, it's going to rip, and then it's going to be ripped inside the A-pillar, and then instead of the water getting out, it's going to leak inside there and cause rust. So I'm not doing that. I'm not pulling anymore. So what I did instead is I got a little piece of fuel line that'll fit in there, and I got another little piece of rubber. Just going to attach them together and attach that to there so it's going to drain happy. The last person probably didn't take the headliner out, and they're probably just like, why is there water coming from this little spot? So then they took some of this black gum crap and just tried to jam it up in there, not knowing that they were actually jamming it into the... Maybe they knew, who knows. It was all jammed up into the actual drain spout there. So, I'm just going to hook this all back up and show you in a second. There we go. So there's the original line that wasn't long enough anymore for some reason, which is why it was leaking. And then someone probably fixed it wrong. There's rust there, so I just put that stuff back over the rust. There's an extra little pipe there. Now it's going to drain happy, hopefully. And even if the seal on the sunroof is 30 years old, this eaves trough should still do its job. As long as all the pipes are clean, we shouldn't get no leaking in this 50-year-old car. Alright, man. Good talk. Peace. Just took the headliner out. There it is. It came out in 4 pieces. That's fine, though. It's all too old and crappy anyways, so we're just going to use that to make a template and make a new one. And then we'll put something kind of dope covering on it or something. Vinyl, leather, fur, polar bear skin. I don't know. Alright, man.
Yeah.